So in this video, my daughter had just come back from up north and she brought our fake Christmas tree. So we normally have a regular Christmas tree, but we did a fake one last year at Ronald McDonald's house. So she had done that. And so we're just putting the Christmas tree together. I had to be really cautious and I'm still not sure that it's gonna work or not. And I had to we listened to Christmas carols and different things like in the background, and I didn't want YouTube to say that I was a copyright infringement or something like that. So I had to blur out quite a bit of that, unfortunately. But here is our Christmas tree. Okay, go ahead and help pull them down a little bit. So we have this, and each of the kids have their hand from when they were that age. So then they can match it each year to see how much they've grown. And then we also put
Yes, all of you.
yes, all of you. We'll find yours in just a minute. And then little scriptures and sayings that I found that I put on it. So I made this tree skirt. It just has plain back like this, and then like this, and then board around just like any other tree skirt. Can you find yours?
This one's mine, right here.
Here's the tiniest one?
Yeah.
It is? How big did your hand get?
I'm gonna try to
Can you match your hand?
Hey, Johanna, look. This one's yours.
Oh, we having it stick out.
Rachel, it's this one's yours. That one's yours.
All right, ready? We're gonna come back just a smidgy. I'm gonna go back just a smidge.
Dear, it is dark. But look at the tree. It's glowing. Look at the star.
This is mine.
My hand's so big.
So a couple years ago, we had them just take their hand and put it around it and make little snowmen on it. So this was done years ago when she was about 5. Gotta grab some more things like that.
Hey, look out the bottom. Guys, put some behind the Christmas tree.
Oh, you want to know where mine is?
What is
What do you think that is?
I don't know. What is it? That's marshmallow. Mom, I
What?
was gonna say, can you picture me? Hey, I want to join in.
What about if I video you?
Okay, don't lean on the tree.
He already videoed.
I want a picture.
You want to be in the video too? My goodness.
Everybody stop.
Everyone's in it. What do you say? Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Are you home for Christmas? You are? You by the Christmas tree. Oh, you see the lights? Yeah.
I think Azurel would like you to touch one of them. This one she's got.
Did you want to feel the ornament? Sister thinks you do. Who's that? Is that other sister up there?
Hi. Easy.
He's just not paying attention.
No.
I used a thing that goes on here.
I can get another one. Do you think you can touch it?
This feeling wants to reach this.
Maybe. Can you just sing nice, please?
So, Nevaeh, what does the earth symbolize?